Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to fix low volume problem on your Motorola Razr R70 Plus. First, adjust media and call volume in the settings. Open the settings app and go to sound and vibration. My media and call volume are already at max. If your volume is low, turn it up. Next, disable Do Not Disturb mode so your phone isn't silenced. Tap on Do Not Disturb and make sure it says Turn On Now. If it says Turn Off, then it was enabled. Do Not Disturb mutes notifications and can make some sounds quieter, so disable it. Next, clean the speaker, or if you're using USB-C headphones, clean the charging port. The speaker and charging port are at the bottom. They look clean. Now restart your phone to refresh the system. Press the power button and volume up button at the same time, then tap Restart. After restarting, update your software to fix any audio glitches as a last resort. Go to Settings, scroll down to System Updates, and tap Check for updates. All you need is Wi-Fi. If you're not on the latest version, I recommend updating to avoid audio glitches. That's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, leave a like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one.